The 2027 Lexus GX is the SUV that should not make sense, but does. Because on paper, it looks like a luxury brick. In reality, it might be the smartest full-size SUV Lexus has built in years. And the thing that changes everything? It is not the grille. It is not the screen. It is what happens when you actually drive it. At first glance, this thing looks expensive and ready for trouble. Tall hood. Boxy body. Massive stance. It has real presence, not soft crossover styling pretending to be tough. The front end is blunt, aggressive, and unmistakably Lexus. The lighting is sharper, the proportions are cleaner, and the whole SUV looks more planted than the old GX ever did. And that matters, because this is the first GX that looks like it can go toe-to-toe with a Range Rover, a Defender, and even the G-Wagon crowd without trying too hard. Look closer and it gets better. The wheel arches are squared off. The overhangs are tight. The body looks built for breakover angles, not just parking lots. Some trims even roll on chunky all-terrain tires straight from the factory. That means Lexus is not just selling an image. They are selling capability. Now step inside, and the whole mood changes. This is where Lexus hits back hard. The old GX felt tough. The new one feels expensive. The cabin is cleaner, wider, and far more modern. You get a big central display, a proper digital cluster, and controls that still make sense because Lexus did not throw every button into a software menu and call it progress. That alone is a win. The materials are a major step up too. Soft leather, real trim, crisp stitching, and a layout that feels deliberate instead of overloaded. It is premium without being fragile. And that is the difference. This is a luxury cabin you can actually live with. Here is the part people overlook: visibility. The upright shape gives you a commanding view of the road, and that instantly makes the SUV feel easier to place in traffic and on trails. It is the kind of detail you notice every single day. Now the tech. Wireless CarPlay. Wireless Android Auto. A smarter infotainment setup. Better driver displays. More cameras. More off-road visibility. And yes, the camera system can show you what is under and around the vehicle when the terrain gets messy. That is not a gimmick. That is a real advantage when the road disappears. And now the big question, is it just a pretty off-roader, or does it actually move? It moves. The old V8 is gone, and in its place is a twin-turbo V6 with serious torque. Around 480 lb-ft, depending on trim, and you feel that low-end shove immediately. It does not need to scream to get going. It just pulls. Smoothly. Confidently. Without the drama some rivals call character. The 10-speed automatic helps keep everything tight and responsive, and the chassis feels more controlled than you would expect from something this capable off-road. Full-time 4WD locking differentials. Crawl control. This is still a real SUV, not a lifestyle prop. And here is the twist. The best thing about the new GX is not that it is rugged. It is that it is calm. Over bumps, on broken pavement, on gravel, on long highway drives, it stays composed. It does not crash around. It does not feel nervous. It feels like a luxury SUV that finally remembers how to be an SUV. That is why this one matters. The 2027 Lexus GX is not trying to be the flashiest thing in the segment. It is trying to be the one you keep longer than anything else. So now the real debate starts: is this the new king of luxury off-road SUVs, or is there still one better choice?